Crypto trading used to mean endless hours of chart analysis, stressing over market swings, and constantly second-guessing every move. But now traders across Canada are discovering CoinSpire, an AI-driven platform that takes the guesswork out of crypto trading. CoinSpire uses advanced artificial intelligence to monitor global markets 24/7, instantly process breaking news, and adjust your trading strategy in real time. That means faster, smarter trades with precision no human can match. Full access to CoinSpire, including premium tools and a welcome bonus, is available exclusively through the official link below. Spots are limited, so act fast and become part of the new wave of smart trading. Canadian users report increased confidence and stronger results. CoinSpire replaces emotional decisions with data-driven automation, giving you full control powered by cutting-edge AI. No more panic selling or hesitation during market volatility. CoinSpire continuously analyzes market signals and adapts your strategy instantly, so your choices are based on facts, not fear. With over 150 expert strategies and AI-powered tools, CoinSpire helps optimize every step of your trading journey. Whether you want a fully automated, hands-off experience or prefer to tweak trades manually, the platform adjusts to your style and experience level. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to monitor your portfolio and make changes anytime, from anywhere. Security is a top priority. Your funds stay safe on trusted exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, connected through secure API integrations. CoinSpire never holds your funds. You always retain full ownership and control over your assets. New to crypto? Try the risk-free demo mode to explore the platform without any financial pressure. Access to CoinSpire's full features, including premium tools and your welcome bonus, is available only via the official link below. Space is limited, so don't wait. Be part of the trading revolution with CoinSpire. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Join the growing Canadian community of traders who are redefining their crypto journey with CoinSpire.